Thank you, Mr. President. My distinguished colleagues, Adamu Aliero is my name. Mr. President, I stand to support this very important amendment. We have gone to Lagos twice on how we can amend the Electoral Act to make our election free, fair, credible, and acceptable, without any hitch whatsoever. And the first thing we should do, Mr. President, is to look at all the areas in the Electoral Act of 2022. Wherever we have inconsistencies and irregularities, we should try to remove them. For example, we are in a haste to pass the Electoral Act, and we shot ourselves in the foot by removing senators, members of the House of Representatives, governors, and the deputy governors, state assemblies, elected officials from being members of the delegates. I think it was a very important omission, and we should try as much as possible to bring all elected members into the delegate list. That is number one. Number two, Mr. President, we must ensure that whatever is the true reflection of the people is what will be announced. We are tired of seeing a situation where during elections, some politicians will move with arms and ammunition, harassing, intimidating opponents just to go and rig election. Mr. President, time is now ripe for us to take decisive measures to ensure that we eliminate this very bad practice. We come a long way, Mr. President, almost 25 years practicing democracy, yet our election is not free and fair. We must do our best to ensure that we reform our electoral process. Mr. President, equally important is the employment of technology to make the election credible and acceptable. We started with card reader, and it created wonders. In 2015, riggers found it difficult to rig election, and the true reflection of what the people want is what was announced. So I urge distinguished colleagues to see whatever we can do to improve on beavers, so that whatever is the result of the election is what will be announced.
You have...
You want me to hand on, Mr. President? Okay, I will. So, Mr. President, I'm in support of reforming our electoral process. We should be in the League or Committee of Nations that are democratic. We must deepen and strengthen our democracy. And the only way we can do it is to have free, fair, and credible elections. I so submit, Mr. President.